Hi friends, welcome back to the SK solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in Autodesk Inventor software. Friends, I am requesting you to all please do subscribe my channel and support me. You are watching my videos but not subscribing my channel. Please do subscribe my channel and like our videos. Select new metric standard create. Select 2D sketch. Select plane. Select center rectangle. The base dimension is 200 by 60. Thickness is 20 mm. Give the dimension 60. Enter tab 200. Finish sketch. Select extruded. Thickness we want 20 mm. So next, diameter 60 and 30 from the base 50 mm. Select this surface, sketch, select circle, (60), create one more circle 30. Give the dimensions 50 mm. Select midpoint and origin midpoint. Give vertical constraint. Sketch is fully constrained. Finish sketch. Select extrude. So actually we want two direction. One direction is 5 mm and another direction is 10 mm. Select here symmetric. So this is 5 mm, this is 10 mm. Apply. Select same surface, sketch. From the side 40 mm both side. Select line. Give the dimension 40. Select line and circle. Give tangent constraint. Finish sketch. Select extrude. Reverse the direction. Thickness is 10 mm. Apply. There is a R15 fillet. Select fillet. Give the dimension 15. Select the edges. Apply. So select mirror. Select mid plane. Apply. Next there is a hole both side, diameter 20 and 30 from the side, 25 from the side. Select surface, sketch, give the dimensions 25 mm, diameter 20. Select midpoint and origin point, give vertical constraint. select line, convert it into construction, select this circle, select mirror line, apply, finish sketch, select extrude, select remove material, here select through all, apply. Next R15 fillets, 4 edges, 15 mm, apply. So that's it friends. If anything is missing, let me know in the comment please. So we can assign the material here. So we can change the color or we can give the finishes. Which color you want, you can give here. So it will come on the drawing also. So we should give matching finishes. So you can see here aluminum dark, aluminum flat. This is for aluminum material. If you select the aluminum, you should give this only. And also you can change the color here. You can see this is for color changing. If you want, you can change. So that's it friends. Once again I am requesting you, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Save the part friends. So if you want, you can change the color here. So thanks for watching this video.